Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll make a tutorial ruffled skirts. Unlike the heavy bulky fell of crochet pieces made with thick yarn. Okay, so we are going to start off with materials. The yarn I'm going to be used is this 3-ply, super thin, just like you use 3 thread ply together. First, for skirt waistband, I'll chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then skip the last one. Work on the second single crochet. I'll do all single crochet. At the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Repeat single crochet. Keep working until this long, about 92 centimeters. This is long enough to fit around my hips, which is 92 centimeter length. Now I'll close it. Join these two together to make a round. For first 5 rows, I'll do double crochet. First chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then do a double crochet. I also increase 2 stitches each row. That means next row will have 2 more stitches compared to the previous row. And to increase stitch, we will work 2 double crochet into 1 stitch. I'll do this for about 5 rows. At the end of the row, close it. then chain 3 to start new row. From now, I'll do single crochet. First, chain 1. Then do single crochet. At the end of single crochet row, close it. Then chain 1 and turn your work. Work on the back. Another row of single crochets. When we reach the end of this row, do the same. Close, chain 1 and turn the work. The reason we turned the work is because I want to make this kind of texture. I also increase 2 stitches each row. That means next row will have 2 more stitches compared to the previous row. Now it's time for a ruffle. I'll start with first row of 2 double crochet into 1. First, chain 3 and then do a double crochet in the same stitch. And then next stitch also do 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Keep working all around. For the second row, I'll work 2 double crochet into 1 and chain 1 in between, like this. One and then chain 1 and work 1 more double crochet. For the third row, I'll do 2 double crochet and chain 2 in between, like this. 1, then chain 1, 2, and then do a double crochet. For row 4, I'll do first 2 double crochet and then chain 2, 1, 2, and then do 2 more double crochet. Like this. So my ruffle have 5 rows, and the last row I do 3 double crochet, chain 1 and 3 double crochet. Now I'll start new layer under this layer, and to do that it will look like this. To do that, I'll start new layer under this area here with few rows of double crochet until that few row have the length equal to this ruffle. I'll start new ruffle again with the same technique. I'll start new layer here. First chain 3. Then do double crochet. I just finished the 5 rows for under layer, and from this moment I'll make the new layers like this. I am gonna use this to make a waistband.